Hi there, Chris Kellett here with MuseGrid. Let's take a look at the 1.0.3 release of DesignKit, and this time we've added a really cool hero image slider. Let's just drag that onto the page and get started. Now this image slider is pure Muse widget with an addition of a widget that we've written just to give it some more functionality. So this slider, as you can see, just uses a slideshow, so you can add as many images as you wish using the image loader here, and you can modify every single part of this because this is built into Muse. We have these nice navigation dots here. We have a left and right navigation, next and previous, and if we just preview this in the browser, one of the great features of this is, for a start, it's fully responsive, but we have these nice navigation arrows that are pinned left and right to the browser, which is the way they should be. We also have the navigation pins. We have the typography section where you can add your message, and it's fully responsive. So if we take it down the different breakpoints, as we go down the breakpoints, you'll see that not only does the unit change in size, but also the type changes to match the device that it's on, and we always maintain these left and right pinned icons and the centered navigation dots. So because this is a built-in slideshow, what we've done is we've made use of the components that are given to us in Muse. So for example, the navigation dots are the thumbnails, and we've ran some processes on them to make them look like the navigation dots, but they work perfectly. The text area uses the caption section, but because we can put any kind of text in here, we can also apply our paragraph styles and text treatments within that caption area. We have also added the next and previous navigation, left and right, and then, as we said, we've created this little widget called sticky arrows that just makes sure that those items stay left and right to the browser. One other feature that you'll find is something that is very important to the smooth running of this widget, is that we are ensuring that we are using the fixed breakpoints that DesignKit relies on. Now, if you switch to a fluid breakpoint, you'll find that this widget doesn't work as intended. And this is because with fixed breakpoints, we're able to use scroll effects. And scroll effects is what helps us keep all of the different elements on the page fixed in place. That ensures that your arrows can be left and right pinned to the browser, but that also the arrows will move with the slider itself and not stay in place, as would usually happen if you weren't using scroll effects. So it's very important that you use this slider within the DesignKit breakpoint system. So it's very easy to update. You can modify the text just by clicking into it. You can add your images or modify the images using the Add Images icon here, and you have full control over the look and feel because it's just pure Muse. So this is a really great hero slider, suitable for home pages, suitable for anything you want, and looks fantastic and is very easy to modify. And that's the main feature of the 1.0.3 DesignKit release. Check out our release notes as well for any tweaks and updates that we've made to additional widgets, but we hope you'll enjoy using this, and thanks for watching.